Good morning, Trade Pros. Good morning, YouTube. Happy Easter, everyone. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm Fatty from the Trade Pro team. If you guys are in the futures room, you probably know me. Here with another market update for you guys. Vic is not in today. We'll see. I want to start this week's recap by actually a Friday. We had non-farm payrolls come out. I'll give you guys the number real quick. We had U.S. average earnings came out year over year, 4.2% versus 4.3% expected. Non-farm payrolls came out at 236K versus 239 expected. U.S. employment rate came out at 3.4 versus 3.6 expected. So these numbers came out on Friday, and on Friday we didn't have that much. U.S. equities were closed, so we didn't have that much movement that followed up. But some of the comments that came after that report actually were very interesting. FedWatch said Friday's payroll report indicated that job growth rate is cooling, but the unemployment rate showed a tighter labor market. Traders believe that the report locks in another 25 basis point hike by the Fed Reserve in May. That's what the expectations are for now. Also, some comments from hedge funds, Mott Capital Management, leader of investing. You know, if you guys are familiar with the name, said the jobs data eliminated the odds of a rate cut in June. The data that Fed is focused on, such as jobs and inflation data, does not support the Fed rate hiking cycle over for the rate cuts, he said. So you had like two conflicting parties coming in. Some are expecting 25 basis point hike, and some are not expecting or not supporting the idea of a hike at all. So that's as far as the non-farm payrolls number that came out on Friday. Also, in other news coming out from Tesla plans to build a new factory in Shanghai to produce its Megapack large-scale energy units. The electrical vehicle maker made the announcement, signing a project in Shanghai yesterday. The new factory will be able to produce 10K Megapacks a year. Elon Musk tweeted that the new Shanghai factory will supplement the output of the Megapack in California. So you have this news. Elon Musk pretty much just signed this deal yesterday. They're expecting the new bill to come out at the end of this year, and you know they pretty much have their first production in the Q1 of 2024. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye out on Tesla, see if that news provides any volatility on the stock. Other than that, for today, I'm not seeing too much news coming in today. We have a huge week ahead, a slow start. Because of Easter, you have some reports coming out as well as the big number, which is the CPI data coming out at the mid of this week. Other earnings also coming out. You have, as far as today, for example, you have Turkey Brands, Price Smart. This is out in NASDAQ. On Tuesday, you have CarMax, In Group, and on Wednesday, you have Warehouse Holdings and Rent the Runaway. Thursday you have Delta Airlines, and Friday really that's the big day. That's the day we have a lot of bank earnings coming out. So probably we'll see some volatility coming up to that. But JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, all pretty much the big banks are expected to report earnings on Friday, as well as the CPI on Thursday. So I think the market is just gonna be sleepy waiting for this news. As far as the S&P 500, I'm not seeing that much volatility coming in. We have less than 100,000 on the daily volume so far. I'll give you guys some levels. Some levels here we're watching for are the 4105. That's one key area. If sellers manage to push us below that, we might expect some more downsides in the following week until the CPI number comes out, as well as the earnings. Another big level today we're watching for is 40.24 to 23, 41.24, 41.23. I think if bulls don't manage to hold above that level of support and we break below, retest the 4105, that can be bad for the bulls. So if you guys are trading today, I really recommend you follow our rules for trading, since it's very thin volume and you have a lot of news events coming out. it might be choppy. So please, like, if you're trading, just follow our 3 rules, like lesser size, faster take profit, tighter stop loss. Don't need to put on too much risk in a market environment that is not supportive of that. Quick update today, not much honestly to talk about as far as news, but I'll jump into the live room and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.